So it's 9 o'clock in the morning right now. And right now I'm having tea. It's pretty chill out here. So we are leaving right now to the city, Mahar city. वहाँ पे जाके कुछ खरीदी करनी है. And look who we got here. Yes. So this is the Mahar city. And हम लोग जब घर से निकले तभी हम लोग ने ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं किया था. So we are headed to eat some breakfast. And this is very famous misal pav called Karmarkar's misal pav in this city. So after that we visited to bakery called Bhagwan Das Bakery. So उसके बाद हम लोग गए यहाँ का फेमस फ़िश मार्केट. यहाँ पे तरह तरह के फ़िश मिलते हैं. So now it's time to do pop tea party. As you have seen on my previous video, it's Campfire and it's going to be fun. So ये मटके के अंदर जाएंगे अंडे, उसके बाद पोटैटोज, उसके बाद चिकन एंड सम वेजीज ऑल्सो. So it's baked very well and it really smells good and we are ready to eat. So I'm just going to end this vlog here. So if you like this vlog for whatsoever reason, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel as well. I will meet you in the next vlog. Until then, peace out.